Hey guys, my name is Cal Nuske, and I work here at High Precision Devices. And among the many hats I wear, I'm also the inspection guy. And I'm going to show you how we inspect these plates. I'm going to use plate 2 as an example. Just an example. I will send you guys all these fixture plates that we have, all of our gauges, which I think you're already familiar with, all the spheres and everything. But anyway, here we go. So what I do is I bolt this plate onto our CMM machine here, and then this fixture plate has all these different features for all the different plates that we do. We're doing plate 2 here. So what we do is we bolt in these 3 spheres, which we're going to make a datum out of. Just give me a second here. So all these spheres here are going to be our datum. So what I've done is I've come in, I've measured these 3 spheres, and over in my software, I've generated them here. Sphere 1, Sphere 2, Sphere 3. Then there's some other little subtleties to align the plates. I took an edge to get the alignment right. Then I generated a plane intersecting the 3 spheres. However you get, whatever software you guys have. I will also give you guys these solids. So once I get all my origin and everything established, which is the center here, which is the center of the 3 spheres, then I can import this CAD. We're just doing this example here. So you kind of need this to do this inspection. Our software allows us to kind of inquire right off of the solid, which is very convenient. So when you import the solid, it should be perfectly synced up to your origins. Here's my 3 spheres. So then we can take our plate, drop it onto our 3 spheres. With our 3 locating pockets in there that I'm sure you're starting to hate. I'm going to snug it, just snug it. Obviously I crank this down, it's going to give me some bizarre numbers. So our pockets are located right on our spheres. And we'll say, take our little gauge here, screw it in here, snug. Then over back on the software, I'm going to say I want to measure the location of this feature right here. So I'm going to say I want to measure that. And back over here. Back to the software. So here's our sphere that we just measured. Now I can say, okay, I want to know the true position of that sphere. So if we look at the drawing here, yeah, I know this part's really difficult. These three spheres that I have over there define datum A. So I'm checking one of these guys, its true position here, 0.3 millimeters. That's about 12 thousandths, which is what I got over here. Might have to zoom in on that, whatever. I'll say okay. So here's the result. It's less than 4 thousandths. That's pretty good. That's a good feature. Anyway, that's how we measure stuff here at HPD. That's how, if we get parts from you guys, that's how I'm going to measure it. Oh, and you're probably wondering, well, how do you do the top of this part to measure these guys? Well, these spheres, I have a different fixture plate for that one, and it's this guy, and you basically have to mount it from the bottom, reaching through with your probe, your CMM, to define those spheres. It's a real pain in the ass. It's basically the same thing, but with the floor cut out so you can reach through it. Anyway, I'm Cal Nusky. If you got any questions, let me know. Give me a call. Thanks.